In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install Health app on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up App Store. If you cannot find the App Store icon on your home screens, then just swipe down to bring up search and then enter App Store here. So that's how we can easily find the app. Now guys, at the App Store, we need to tap right here to go to search and then search for Health. Just like that. And that's how we can easily find it right here. We need to tap on it, and that's where, as you can see, we got this open button because the app is already installed on my iPhone. However, if you don't have it installed, it will say get here, or instead of the button there will be a cloud icon. You just need to tap at the button or at the cloud icon to install the app, and when the installation is complete, you will be able to open up the app by clicking right here at this button, and also it will put Health app icon on your home screen. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.